Welcome to our video on the impact of artificial intelligence on our lives Part 1. AI has already revolutionized many aspects of our lives, and its potential for the future is vast. In this video, we'll explore how the next 10 years of life with AI would look like. Here's the 5 ways that AI is already improving our lives, including improved healthcare, more personalized experiences, increased efficiency in manufacturing, enhanced customer service, and safer transportation. Improved healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, from improving diagnostics to accelerating drug discovery. One exciting development is the use of AI in medical imaging. By analyzing medical images with AI algorithms, doctors can make more accurate and faster diagnoses. AI can also be used to analyze large amounts of medical data, allowing doctors to identify trends and develop personalized treatment plans. More personalized experiences. Thanks to AI, businesses can offer more personalized experiences to their customers. From targeted advertising to personalized product recommendations, AI can help businesses understand their customers' preferences and needs. This can lead to a more positive customer experience and increased customer loyalty. Increased efficiency in manufacturing. AI can help manufacturers optimize their processes and increase efficiency. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI algorithms can identify areas where processes can be improved and suggest changes. This can lead to reduced waste, increased production, and lower costs. Enhanced customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant and efficient customer support. These chatbots can be programmed to answer common customer questions, provide product recommendations, and even handle transactions. By automating some of the more routine customer interactions, businesses can free up customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. Additionally, AI can be used to personalize customer service interactions based on a customer's history and preferences. Safer transportation. AI-powered autonomous vehicles can help reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. These vehicles can use sensors, cameras, and other technologies to detect and avoid obstacles, follow traffic laws, and make safe driving decisions. AI can also be used to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion, predict equipment failures before they occur, and provide real-time weather updates and safety monitoring. Conclusion. As we've seen, the impact of AI on our lives is significant and growing. From healthcare to transportation, AI is already improving our world in many ways. However, as with any technology, there are also potential risks and concerns that must be addressed. By continuing to explore the potential of AI while also being mindful of its potential impact, we can ensure that we use this powerful technology to create a better future for all. In upcoming videos we can discuss deeply regarding this. Stay tuned for the Part 2. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you soon.